Unlock your productivity potential.
Struggling to stay on top of your tasks? The right apps can make a huge difference in how efficiently you work and manage your day. Today, let's explore 7 essential productivity apps designed to streamline your workflow, help you stay organized, and maximize every moment. These powerful tools are widely trusted by professionals and students alike. Get ready to transform how you get things done.
Todoist, smarter task management.
Todoist is a top-rated app for keeping track of daily tasks and long-term projects. Its simple interface lets you create to-do lists, set priorities, and break work into manageable steps. With reminders, recurring tasks, and project tracking, Todoist keeps you focused and organized whether you're tackling work assignments or personal errands.
Notion, all-in-one organization.
Notion combines note-taking, task management, databases, and calendars in one customizable platform. Build pages that suit your workflow, from project trackers to knowledge bases. Collaborate with team members or keep everything personal and private. Notion's flexibility makes it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone seeking to centralize their information.
Trello, visual project planning.
This offers a visual approach to organizing projects with boards, lists, and cards. Easily move tasks through different stages, assign items to team members, and set deadlines. Trello's intuitive drag-and-drop interface helps you quickly see progress, prioritize work, and stay in control. Perfect for both solo endeavors and group projects.
RescueTime, understand your habits.
RescueTime runs quietly in the background and tracks how you spend time on your computer and mobile devices. Receive detailed reports about your habits, spot time-wasting activities, and set personal goals. With real insights into your productivity patterns, RescueTime empowers you to make smarter choices and focus on what matters most.
Forest, beat distractions mindfully.
The Forest takes a unique approach to staying focused. Plant a virtual tree that grows while you work. If you leave the app, the tree withers. This playful method helps you resist distracting apps and stay on task. Over time, you'll grow a virtual forest, symbolizing all the productive moments you've cultivated.
Google Drive, effortless file collaboration.
Google Drive makes creating, storing, and sharing documents seamless. Write, edit, and access files anywhere from any device. Easily collaborate in real time with colleagues or friends. With generous free storage and integration across other Google apps, Google Drive keeps your important files safe and close at hand.
Pocket, save and read for later.
Pocket helps you capture articles, videos, and web pages you want to read or watch later. Instead of being derailed by interesting finds during your workday, save them with one click and revisit when you have time. Pocket's offline access and gathering of recommendations make it easy to stay inspired without losing focus.
Start your productivity journey.
With these 7 essential apps, you can streamline your workflow, manage your time more effectively, and accomplish more with less stress. Whether you're planning projects, beating distractions, or making your information more accessible, these tools fit seamlessly into your day. Try a few, discover your favorites, and watch your productivity soar.